What's up, CG crew? Welcome back to the channel. It is I, Tamala, back today with another video. In today's video, we're headed to Kroger. My husband has already got out the car. Yeah, about to just run in here right quick and get a few items. I have to get some salmon, and he wants to get some snacks. So we're gonna take you guys with us. So let's go inside of Kroger. Oh, I got some waters in my trunk, babe. Dang, why cheese so expensive? I don't want that cheap cheese. That cheap cheese takes forever to melt. I don't get that no more. I'm gonna just get this. Oh, that's extra sharp. I better hurry up.
Okay. I was coming to get a couple things out of it already, and then I had to wait for you.
What time the game come on?
3:30.
Oh. 3:30. Your phone ringing. That's probably the kids.
Hello?
I think when you buy
$1.99.
buy 5 or more, save $1.
Okay.
So you finna buy 5?
That's what I'm saying. It's $2.99 anyway, so we didn't buy 5.
What is little old thing?
Okay.
We have a whole nother. Are you finna get 5 of them?
What you said?
No, I didn't say get 5. I just said we'll go ahead and get however many you want to get.
Okay, let's see.
You want to get some flavor crystal things?
Ooh.
The little things that go in the water to make the oh, sorry.
Barely. Barely. Come on, down like this. I'm still my throat. Get the flags.
I'm gonna get that. Oh, excuse me. Want some dryer sheets? Well, it says you save $1 when you buy 5, so we almost done bought 5. So we need to get one more thing.
You almost bought 5. What do you mean?
We bought 5 products. So
That's what they mean?
yeah,
So you want to get
like 5 of the things that say.
Okay. Oh, see, I don't know how that works. You want to go get another detergent? Or that's the salt?
What do you want to
We want to get one of them.
this one or?
You got one of the
Guess we should have got a bigger buggy.
No, you got you can flip, right?
Oh, they got different. Oh, we gotta get some soda. I wanted some soda.
I know you said you want some ale ginger. You'll start talking back. After start talking.
Oh God, please don't.
Not why.
Which one? Oh, we're gonna get
1 week.
The ginger ale. The Canada Dry, I mean. Ooh. For the $1.99. You don't get the Canada Dry? Stomach.
I want this. One.
Put it in the buggy.
One only?
Only one?
Sure you?
Come on.
On come?
All right.
Rolex.
Can you please stop?
Not why.
I ain't have to drink my bio light. Oh, they got the
I like good is.
the blue, the Pepsi blue. Hold on. I'm gonna get some of these.
One want you?
These are the,
Tripping you.
Stop.
Stop girl. Like someone hot.
Oh, you want to go that way?
That's hot.
You know I got a whole other popcorn in the refrigerator, in the cabinet. In the cabinet?
Sell any?
Oh God, please stop. Oh, look. Oh, oh, that snapper. I don't want a whole snapper. Let me see. I think I'm gonna get this one. Oh, please stop. It's only 5 in here. Uh-oh.
Bother an eye.
Hmm?
You bother an eye. Huh?
Can you stop?
What stop?
I'm gonna knock you out. I'm gonna get this one too.
Crazy you.
All right, go. Move out the way.
Me and my what?
Oh, let me get some soup. My little cup noodles.
Go lips. Love you. Soup love you. Soup love you.
For lunch, I do.
For you?
Okay, thank you. All right. Go less. You got me saying it like you. finna get 4?
$2.49. Go for 4, that'll be about $13, $14.
Let me go to the rice.
Well, do you have a taco? I think it's the same sale. It's over here.
Is it?
Well, it's about
What that one is? Cause they don't have none.
they got the big ones right there.
They don't have none.
You see it.
I don't.
They should have a bench. We usually have a bench. Let's see if they got. I'm gonna grab the case. Well, you do have a bench.
No, they don't. Huh? They don't. They don't have any.
Should I get these 3 that's down too?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Why you gonna get 3? Just get.
They 10 for 10. Y'all want to get the kids one?
No, they don't need no candy.
Cox go once again while we watch the game.
Oh. Yeah.
I thought so. Good at this. You heard me? Same the knot. Same the knot. You gonna do a voiceover?
Why?
All the cussing I done did on this.
Nope. They gonna see your true colors.
Hey. Just be myself. You ready?
Huh?
That's it.
No. See, I told you we should have got a big buggy.
Well, I didn't know you was coming in for all of this.
Well, since you can.
The only reason you came was me. That's what I was doing. You would have been good.
No, I would have had to go to the store.
Tomorrow?
One day this week.
Okay, so this for me.
New Pepsi Mango.
I give you the card. Did I put it in my pocket?
What?
Oh,
What card? Your debit card?
it's my coffee.
I'm gonna just get this one. I don't really like how this one looks. Hey, I'm good in you.
Come on. You want to get it or no?
I'm not gonna get this one. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on. Leaving Kroger.